Happy weekend, everyone. Finally, it's Friday, and welcome back to Mental Pick. So, for today's Amazon recap, we got a total of 55 leads, and we got 38 total leads for online arbitrage leads. And then for a retail arbitrage, we got 17. And here are the freshly sourced websites that you should check. So, let's see all the deals that we got from All Beauty today for our online arbitrage leads. Let's open some samples. Here we got a sale loader that you could earn 4.17 with an ROI of 29%. Another is this Shiseido Wasuski Shikulime color control with a profit of 5.96 and an ROI of 39%. Another Shiseido Sports is you could earn a profit of 5.70 with 37%. And let's skip to the last deal for today. Red Door by Elizabeth Arden, where you could earn profit of 4.21 with an ROI of 41%. So 10 deals from all beauty websites. So check them out, guys, because we got a lot of offer for you to choose from as well. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you these 4 channels that you could choose from: review giveaways, affiliate income, job opportunities, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested, guys, feel free to check out all these channels for you to know more about what we offer. And we proceed to our Amazon to Amazon monitoring or our A to A flips. I know you guys are already familiar with it. These are flips that you could sell from Amazon, that you could buy and sell from Amazon as well. So we got 11 new leads today. So check out all these channels if you're into flipping. Another bot operated channel that we got for you is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest leads and price drops of these websites. So let's open this one from Boots. 29 newly price drop source leads, 50% price drop. There you go, 70%, 50%. So mostly are 50% price drop, but still a very good and decent amount of price drop because 50% of the price you could buy it and sell it on a different or higher price, guys. So check out all our price drop monitor leads. And lastly, of course, let's not forget a general and Amazon community wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a nice weekend ahead. Bye, everyone!